So this month of January, we are going to be celebrating veganuary. I think that's what it's called.
I'm vegan now.
Lies.
So for our first vegan recipe of the month, Ruth made this fabulous vegan burger. Ta-da!
Let's get into this. To start this delicious, amazing vegan burger, you want to get 1 plantain. Remove the skin of your plantain, cut it into big chunks, put it in a small pot with some water, allow it to boil for about 7 to 10 minutes, or at least like a fork or a knife goes in clean and comes out easily. While your plantain is boiling, you want to start with your burger sauce. For this, I use half a gherkin or a pickle. I used 1 sun-dried tomato, cut that into nice fine chunks. In a small bowl, you want to add ketchup, vegan mayo, Dijon mustard, your chopped up pickle and sun-dried tomato, some honey, chili powder. Give that a nice mix. You should get a nice bright, I think orange, I would call it orange color, and keep that aside. Now you want to chop up some onions, cut it into nice slices. I used half an onion in this burger, but then if you're like me, you realize that at the end of it, I realized that the onions were too much. So don't use half an onion. Don't be like me. Use 1/4 of an onion. Chop it up nicely into like slices and set that aside. In your food processor, you want to put some kidney beans and black beans. Blitz that up for about 1 minute or 2 minutes just to start that process. And then once you've blitzed that, you want to then add your boiled plantain in that, and then your seasoning, salt, black pepper, and a little bit of garlic granules. Blitz all of that up together until everything is combined. Once you've done that, you then want to form your mixture into burger patties. Mine was able to form 2 patties. So form that up into your nice circular burger patties and set that aside. It's time to get frying. Make sure that your pan is nice and hot. Add some oil in there. On one side of your pan, you want to put your burger patty, and on the other side, you want to put your onions. You literally just want those onions to saute. You're not looking for crispy onions. You're looking for nice, soft, brown onions. Once your onions have been sauteed, you want to remove them from the pan and then fry off and keep going on with your burger buns. Ensure that you fry off your burger for about 5 minutes on each side, or at least it's brown enough. Once you've done that, remove that from the frying pan, and then it's time to assemble. Spread a little bit of your sauce on there and then put some salad. Once I had put the salad on the burger bun, I realized that I hadn't grated some cheese on my burger patties. So we stopped the assembly, grated some cheese, put that in the oven for the cheese to melt. Once the cheese was melted, we continued our assembly process. How could I have forgotten the cheese? Oh my god. Anyways, you then want to put the burger patty, 1 burger patty, on your salad. Then put some onions, sauce, another burger patty, onions, sauce, and top up with your last burger bun, and your burger is ready to be eaten. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Tasting time, baby.
Very nice. I actually really like the sauce. So as you already know, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe, like this video if you like the content. Hit
hit that notification button so that you know whenever we drop new videos.
And comment your thoughts on this bomb ass burger.
Also drop a comment below on what kind of vegan recipes you would like us to try, and we would actually see what we can do about that.